Hey guys, my name is Kelly. I am a full-time reseller. My Poshmark and Instagram are both rebel_rose_co. I really appreciate you clicking on this video. This is going to be a thrift with me and a haul. If you like this kind of video, if you could give me a thumbs up, a comment, and subscribe. If you watch until the end, that is very helpful to me. I am trying to increase my watch hours so that I can get monetized. So every minute that you watch really means a lot to me. So I'm going to insert the footage from the thrift day. This was probably like a month or two ago. I'm filming a bunch of videos today, so I've just had this bag here waiting for me to film the haul part of it. This is a thrift store that supports the local animal shelter, so all the money goes to them and everything is always really cheap. I have found so many gems here. I really like this place. So I'm going to insert the footage and then I will be back for the thrift haul. Also stay tuned because I found a dress that originally retailed for a couple $1,000. So I'll be back. Okay, that was the thrifting part of it. I try to do good at filming that. It's hard to film and go through, and then you have to stop and look up comps for stuff. It's difficult. And it is a small thrift store, so I didn't want people like looking at me weird. So let's get into the haul. It's a pretty small one. Okay, so I actually had forgotten everything that I purchased because this was like a month or two ago. Okay, so this was a men's item. I never pick up men's items. I also did not look up comps for any of these things because I was filming, and it's so much work to just constantly be taking clips, turning it off, looking up comps, then going back to filming. So if it was cheap, I just grabbed it this day. So this was $2. The brand is, I rarely look at men's stuff, but the brand is Pierre Balmain. I don't know if that's how you say it. Pierre Balmain. I think that's how you say it. It's 100% wool. It's just a men's blazer. These are very expensive. Like, if you type in this brand in Google, it's like thousands of dollars. I have not looked up comps for these things though. I know I should have done that before I filmed this video, and someone gave me shit on one of my other videos. I didn't look up comps. I say this in a lot of my videos. I'm not making money off these videos. I'm not monetized, and it takes up a lot of time. And then my sales go down because I'm spending too much time on YouTube. I want these videos to be fun for me as well. Like, honestly, that's mostly why I'm doing it. I want to share these things with you. I don't do like a ton of planning and research and stuff, so if you watch them, that means a lot. If you like more like detailed videos with like specific cost of goods, specific comps, specific profit estimation, then you might want to watch a different channel. I want this to be fun for me. I appreciate all the feedback that I get on these videos, but a lot of different people like will message me and say different people want different things, and I can't make everyone happy. Like, I'll have someone say, oh, you should share cost of goods. Someone say, oh, you shouldn't share cost of goods. Someone wants me to tell them this. Another person doesn't want me to tell them this. So I appreciate all of the constructive criticism or criticism. And I try and take it into account, but I cannot make everybody happy. So if you watch my channel, I appreciate it. Okay, so Pierre Balmain, I don't think I'm gonna get a ton for it. I will, as I'm editing this video, because I need to get this video filmed, I will put comps in on the screen. So yeah, sorry for that rant. I just wanted to say that, but yeah, I will put comps in on the screen. Okay, this next item, I don't even remember what I got from this trip because this was like 2 months ago. This is Kevia. It was new with tags, and it looks like a dress or like a swimsuit cover up. I think I remember looking this up, and I think it retailed for like $60. Honestly, I'm not sure. Feels like maybe linen, but I don't see a tag. It's okay. I paid $3 for it. This is my yeah, again with comps. Some people want me to share comps. They want me to share like all my numbers. Some people think I shouldn't, so I'm just gonna do what I feel like doing, and that's what's gonna happen. Okay, so this is $3, and I will insert comps on the screen. I'm sorry I did not look them up before, but it is what it is. Like, I never realized that YouTube stuff was so much work. Like, filming, editing, putting on makeup to film. Like, I never put on makeup. Setting up my stuff, all the editing, inserting pictures, uploading the tag keywords, the descriptions, sharing it and promoting it. It's so much work, and I'm not making money, so. Okay, this brand is, I had never heard of this brand. It's Swix. These feel like hiking pants, or like they could be worn as like, you know, like snow pants or something. They are zipped. They, I do remember I did look this brand up, and I believe that comps were pretty decent. I paid $3 for this. I will insert comps on the screen. These are just like athletic kind of pants, like joggers, but they also feel like they would be really nice hiking pants. Okay, this is like all new to me because I can't remember any of this stuff. Okay, Susie Chin for Maggie Boutique. Never heard of it. This looks like it would be vintage. Okay, this, it says $3, but it has a red line through it, so I believe it was half off, so it would have been $1.50. This looks like it's probably vintage. I think I probably, oh yeah, this was half off. $150. It's like a midi dress. It has pockets and a belt. So I just thought this was cute. That's why I picked this up. This also kind of gives me jail uniform vibes. Like the button up and yeah. But I think this is cute. Okay. 2 more items and the last item is really good. Okay, Sandro sportswear. Sandro itself is expensive. One of my top sales was a Sandro. It was like a silver gold. It was like weird, like depended on the light. It is a metallic dress, so pretty. I wanted to keep it for myself, but it was not my size. I purchased it for 10, sold it for 200 instantly. Sportswear is not as expensive, and I think this is vintage, but it was $2, so I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna see. Just for fun. Also, this, I might send this into Thredup when I get labels because a lot of, also I have a Thredup video that I will link up here. What was I saying? Some of the brands that originally retail for a lot but don't resell for a lot, like Sandro Sportswear probably, do well on Thredup, I believe. So I might send this into Thredup. Okay, last item. I had never heard of this brand, and I did not know that it was expensive. Some of these dresses retail for like $3,000. I believe this is vintage, though. Okay, so comps are up and down. I'll insert comps on the screen. I know that is important. Okay, it's, I'm probably going to say this wrong. Dries Van Noten. That is the tag. I probably said it wrong. It's acetate and silk. It was $8, so that's like kind of a lot for me, but it is this mini dress and it has these silk flower appliques on the bottom. In the back it has a little cutout, but I picked this up. I am super excited to list it. This brand is very expensive new, so we are gonna see how this does. And that's it. So if you watch the whole way through, that means a lot to me. I really appreciate anybody who watches my videos. So yeah, okay, I'll see you next time. Bye.